Sentences according to structure. Simple sentence. Contains one independent clause. It is useful in expressing one idea or simple uncomplicated ideas. Examples: Mother and I are lovers of nature. Hands outstretched, the baby balanced herself before taking the next step. Compound sentence is made up of two or more independent clauses. A compound sentence is useful in expressing two related ideas of equal. Examples: The heavens were dark, but the weatherman predicted fair weather. The high school team won the spelling contest. It also received a trophy. Complex sentence is composed of one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. It is useful in expressing two ideas, one of which is less important than the other. Examples: Helen said that she will be absent from her classes tomorrow. We thought that the film showed the clash of social values. Compound complex sentence contains two or more independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. It is useful in expressing two equally related parts of a main idea plus one or more less important ideas. Examples: I accepted the position that was offered to me, but I did not realize that it was a demotion. Because he loved ballet, many of his friends thought he was effeminate and only a few know that he is a tough gunfighter. Thanks for listening. Source: English for College Freshmen by Sandra Rodriguez Arroyo.